going on YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another video for you guys. Today we have the Air Jordan 5 Stealth 2.0 set to release March 27th. Retail is going to be 190 bucks, and please hit that thumbs up for your boy. Also, if you're new to this channel, subscribe. I am going to give you guys a detail review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. I got to send a big shout out to my brother, Keep Him Laced. All his information will be in the description below. I want to talk to you guys about a giveaway that my boy is doing, J.SOLE. Okay, he is doing a giveaway on the University Blue Jordan 1s. That's right. You guys want to enter this giveaway, go follow him on Instagram. There's a couple of little things that you got to do to enter this giveaway. Very simple. All the rules to the giveaway would be on J.SOLE's IG. If you guys want to win a pair of the Air Jordan 1 University Blues, I know it was a hard shoe to get. This is your chance now. Link will be in the description to the giveaway, so you can know more what you got to do to enter this giveaway. All right, I want to talk to you guys about AFTECKA. AFTECKA got the best sole protectors in the game to me, honestly. I just want to show you guys the quality of their stuff, man. Take a look at the film. Look at that. Look at the thickness when I peel it off. All right, amazing, amazing quality. Use them for your icy soles. Okay, got the Air Jordan 5 right here. All you gotta do is just put them on here. You stick it on, boom. Get a hair dryer or a heat gun, put it on nice and perfect, and it keeps your soles from yellowing, just keeps them looking new, you know. AFTECKA definitely has a bunch of them for different shoes. We do have these stickers. Now these stickers here can protect, you know how you got your Nike Air or your Jumpman. Let me show you guys real quick. Quick example. Look, if you have a Yeezy, but you see the sticker, the film, you take that, you put it on there, and it will protect it from peeling. Dope. I usually put tape on mine all the time, but now AFTECKA has the sticker that can cover it, guys. You could get your stickers for your inner soles, and you could get your sole protectors to protect your Jordans, okay? I'm gonna leave their Instagram in the description. I'm gonna also leave their website in the description. Yeah, we about to get into these Air Jordan 5 Stealth 2.0s. Show you guys the box. It comes in your regular Jordan 5 box, nothing special at all. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro. The colorway is white Hyper Royal Stealth. Inside the box, this new paper that they're doing, okay? Alright, this is the Air Jordan 5 Stealth that released back in 2006. So you can see the shark teeth is not blue. Gray is a little lighter on this pair, in my opinion. You guys already know about the Air Jordan 5 Stealths that released in 2006. This one's a little different. They did switch it up. It's a 2.0, so it's not going to be the same as the Stealth, okay? Jump straight into it. I want to show you guys how the shoe looks and the quality and etc. So let's get into it. Start off with the front of the toe box. The leather on the front is real nice. They got some real thick, soft leather. You can see the webbing. Look at that. Very, very nice, I must say. I must say the quality is pretty good. White in the front of the toe, white on your toe box with that tumble leather. You got white laces, as you guys can see. Doesn't come with any extra set of laces. You do got the lace lock, all right? Now take a look at the lace lock. Clear lace lock holding with the blue. Look at the blue one back there with the white Jumpman. You see that? White Jumpman with the royal blue. Of course, you do got your 3M reflective tongue. You do got the Jumpman stitched in that blue. Sock liner is in the blue, as you can see. So basically, you got an all white upper on the shoe in tumble leather. Pretty good. Over here, you do got the netting, clear netting. On the midsole, as you can see, you do got that gray with the black shark teeth, and the speckling is with blue little dots. Okay, you see that? See that right there? Now, on the OG Stealth was blue, the shark teeth. Gray midsole goes around the whole shoe, as you guys can see. Medial, same as the lateral. Got the gray on the midsole with the air bubble unit with your black hit right there with the blue speckles on it. Clear netting, all white tumble leather upper. Just real basic and clean, you know. As for sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you go true to size. Jordan 5s, I go true to size and you'll be good to go. All right. Black Jumpman in the back. give it a little, you know, little pop to it, with your all white in the back, your gray in the bottom. Inner sole, you got a white Jumpman, blue inner sole. It's the regular one like this. Bottom, you got your icy sole in the bottom with your blue Jumpman with your blue hit in the front of the toe, and you do got your black spot right here with the Jordan. The Stealths was a nice colorway. I really did. I always wanted that shoe for some reason. But if you guys want these release March 27th. Retail will be $190. Full size family run of these. They probably will have massive pairs, if I'm not mistaken. They might. A lot of things been selling out lately. But I don't think you guys got to worry about these, man. I think everybody could get a pair of these. So yeah, like I said, just here to give you guys the review. Maybe you like them, maybe you don't. It's all up to you to decide. But I'm here to just show you guys them so you guys can see what they look like and what you can expect, okay? Guys, let me know what you think about these in the comment sections below. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? We're about to get into this on feet. Hope you guys enjoy, man. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.